Okay, great. Well, thank you very much to both you and Brett for a really thoughtful summary of the sections of the most recent decadal survey. I guess I will open the floor to questions from the community. We've got a few minutes here booked off for a question and answer period. Does anyone have any questions? Yes, there's a question here from Professor Neal asking about the Artemis Accords and this proposed international ethics.
Yeah, the short answer is yes, and we did address and specifically call out the Artemis Accords in the report in Chapter 19. So yes, there was support for that and for the continued international cooperation and looking at the ethics questions. So yes, across the board.
Any other questions here? There's a question here from about, do we know what the timeline is for NASA responding to the decadal recommendations?
Yeah, I'll jump in on that, Sam, Sarah. We will have an initial response at 90 days. Obviously, it's going to take longer to think through some of these things, and so I think after that initial response, we'll do some more research and studying, and I think we'll get a full response after about a year.
Okay. Well, thanks very much for the for those briefings. They were super helpful and informative.